With vehicle lighting, you often see IP67, IP68, or IP69K. But which IP rating really suits your application? You don't choose the right IP rating based on the type of vehicle, but on the conditions in which the vehicle is used. The more water, dirt, mud, and cleaning a vehicle has to endure, the higher the level of protection you need. For most applications, IP67 is the right choice. Think of trucks, trailers, semi-trailers, and commercial vehicles that drive on public roads every day. This lighting is completely dustproof and resistant to rain, splashing water, and even temporary submersion. If your vehicle is used in harsh conditions, then IP68 is a logical choice. This lighting is designed for prolonged exposure to moisture, mud, snow, and road salt, for example. That's why you often see IP68 on professional lighting for construction, earth-moving, agriculture, and off-road vehicles. Is the vehicle regularly cleaned with a high-pressure washer? Then choose IP69K. This lighting has been tested against hot high-pressure jets and is ideal for trucks, trailers, agricultural, and construction machines that are cleaned intensively. So they complement each other. IP68 protects against submersion, and IP69K protects against extreme cleaning with high pressure and high temperature. That's why you sometimes see work lights with both certifications. So the right IP rating is important, but sealing and installation also play a major role. Would you like to know what suits your application? TRALERT is happy to advise you.